Mathematics assignment help. At the current age, most students are looking for mathematics assignment help. But they struggle a lot to find reliable mathematics assignment help. Hence, looking at these difficulties of scholars, we have created the best mathematics assignment help. Under our services, we have some highly qualified mathematics experts ensuring to provide accurate solutions. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the study of various topics, including structure, quantity, changes, space, etc. In other words, it is basically present in everything we do and around us. However, mathematics is a foundation of accounting, statistics, computer science, the latest technology, etc. In short, a world cannot be imagined without it. In addition, it is being used by industries all around the world. What are the categories of mathematics? Mathematics is mainly categorized into two different types. Our mathematics assignment help writers consist a thorough knowledge of these types. Hence, if you need any assistance, you can connect with our finest assignment help. Those categories are: Pure Mathematics, Applied Mathematics. You should never hesitate to seek the assistance of our mathematics assignment help to solve your complex assignments easily. Why do students need mathematics assignment help? There can be various reasons to look for excellent mathematics assignment help. However, our experts have done thorough research on it and found that students mostly opt for our services due to some common reasons. Time constraints. For good scores. Complexity of assignment. Why students mostly prefer our mathematics assignment help. We have closely examined the academic phase of students, and we found that they have to face several issues in order to complete their course with good scores. Therefore, with an intention to solve every academic problem of students, we have designed our mathematics assignment help as per your requirements with some exemplary services, including the common ones. Let's look at those amazing services which are listed below. Instant help. Accurate solutions. Globally available. What are the topics we cater under our mathematics assignment help? At the Assignment Helpline, we have a team of mathematics assignment help experts who have a thorough knowledge of all the topics. It is also evident that mathematics is a vast subject and not possible for students to contain knowledge of everything. Hence, we cover all the topics which come under it. However, commonly we have created assignments on the below given topics. Topology and geometry. 3D geometry. Calculus. Algebra. Trigonometry. Combinatorics. Number theory. Permutation and combination. Statistics and probability. However, our mathematics assignment help is not just limited to these topics. So whenever and with whatever topic you need help, you can reach out to our experts anytime. As our writers have years of expertise in drafting mathematics projects and have immense knowledge of all the topics in this course. We cover various levels under our mathematics assignment help. Undergraduate level, postgraduate level, PhD level. How to access our impeccable mathematics assignment help? Fill in the form. Pay the quoted form. Receive top-notch assignments. Why should students avail our mathematics assignment help? We have created each of our services keeping in mind the difficulties students face in academics. Hence, if you are opting for our mathematics assignment help, you can get several benefits. 550+ experts. HD criteria followed. On-time submission. Affordable pricing. Free revisions. Free samples. Successful track record. Referral discounts.